Hey guys, got a 2020 plate Volkswagen Tiguan here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, you're going to make sure your engine is turned on or ignition on. Then come to the screen in the center of the dash. Now press the menu button in the bottom right hand corner. And scroll across until you find settings. Press that. Then go to time and date. Then from here, you can have clock time source, manual, or GPS to do it automatically for you. If you want to do it manually, click on the time there, put in what you need, then just press back to save. And then with date as well, put in what you need, and again, press back, and that will save on there.